Hey there, are you wondering how to check your mobile data usage on your iPhone? Well, you're in the right place. It's super easy to check how much data you've used and even find out which apps are taking up the most data. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to track your mobile data usage and help you stay on top of it. Let's dive in. Now, to check your overall mobile data usage, follow these simple steps in your Settings app. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data depending on where you are. After that, under the Cellular Data Usage section, you'll see the total data usage for the current period. Then, if you want to see how much data specific apps have used, just scroll down further. Now, you'll find the list of apps along with the amount of data each app has used. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your mobile data usage and manage it better. And that's it. You've now learned how to check your mobile data usage on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. And stay tuned for more awesome videos coming your way. Catch you in the next one.